In this video, I'll show you guys how to install mods on Lethal Company. So the easiest way to install mods in this game is to use this app called Thunderstore. This app basically works as a mod manager and it does all the work for you. So go to their website, thunderstore.io, and click on this button. Then click here and install the installer file. Then run the file. Click on run, yes, and wait for it to pop up. Then click on next. And let me change the installation folder. You can install it wherever you want, but let me change it. Let me go here and install it right here. Then accept the terms of use and click on next. And you don't need any of this, just click on next. Now let's wait for it to download. This depends on your internet speed, so it might take a few minutes. So let me be right back. Okay, now once you have the app installed, what you want to do is click on this search bar right here and search for Lethal Company. Click on select game and wait for it to load the mods from the store. This may take a few seconds. And after that, click on create new, this button right here, and let's create a new profile for our mods. Let's call it modded. I already have that, so let me call it new mods, create, and select profile. Now, the first step is click on the mods right here and download the Bepin X-Pack mod, the first mod that pops up. Click on download and with dependencies. So basically, this mod works as a prerequisite for all the other mods. So if I want to install any of these mods, I need to have the Bepin X-Pack mod first. So now I can download the mods that I want. Let me sort by download count. And let me download more company. Download with dependencies. And I also need this mod for more companies. Let me download the API and download. There we go. Now if I want to edit any of these mods, I can go here and edit the config. And to actually launch the game with the mods, I need to click on this button right here. And that's very important, because if I launch the game directly from Steam, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to launch the default version of the game. So let me click on modded and yes to launch the game. And one thing you'll note is that this command prompt pops up when you launch the game. And this means that the mods are actually working, so this is a good sign. Now let's wait for the game to load. And there we go, it says more company. And on the bottom left it says MC, but you can't see that. So that means that the mods actually worked. Now, another thing to note is that if you want to play with these mods with your friends, you need to make sure that all of your friends have the mods installed. And before I go, I need to show you guys another thing. Some of these mods here aren't actually updated for the latest versions of the game. So if you want to play with these mods, there's actually a way. What you can do is launch Steam and go to your library and right click on Lethal Company, Properties, Betas, and click on this and it should say none for you guys. You can click on it and select previous, this version right here. What this basically does is that it allows you to play the previous version of the game, so the mods that are updated for the latest version can actually work on your system. And if you want to go back at any time, you can just go here and click on none, and that's it. It's usually going to update for a few seconds, but it's only going to take 1 or 2 seconds because it's 3.5 megabytes. So that's it guys, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.